This is Michigan Moments, rediscovering the pioneering moments of the Great Lakes State. In the early 20th century, Pontiac, Michigan was more than a factory town. It reflected industrial ambition and urban growth. Positioned just north of Detroit, Pontiac quickly became a key player in the rise of the American auto industry. At the heart of this transformation stood names like the Oakland Motor Car Company and the Carter Car Company. These early automakers helped put Pontiac on the map long before it was absorbed by Billy Durant into General Motors. Pontiac's factories would prove critical in two world wars. Photographs from the 1920s and 30s reveal a city both bustling and orderly. Streetcars rumbled along brick-lined roads. Shops like Spencer and Ferguson offered dry goods and groceries behind large glass windows. Even in winter, downtown scenes show crowds lining the sidewalks, bundled in coats, shopping or attending events at the corner of Saginaw and Lawrence. Religion and education were equally central. The towering spires of Pontiac's Congregational Church stood as a landmark for faith and community. Meanwhile, the red brick high school loomed just blocks away, symbolizing civic investment in the next generation. Hospitals such as St. Joseph's Mercy and the vast Pontiac State Hospital campus were cornerstones of public health. Opened in 1878, the Pontiac State Hospital was Michigan's first asylum for the mentally ill outside Kalamazoo. Its sprawling Victorian campus reflected the 19th century belief that grand architecture and open space could aid in treatment. At its peak, the facility housed thousands of patients and operated as a self-sufficient institution with its farms, workshops, and power plant. Pontiac was also a railway town. Grand trunk depots hummed with traffic as passengers came and went. A postcard from 1936 shows President Franklin D. Roosevelt's train stopping in the city, evidence of its strategic importance during the New Deal era. But life in Pontiac wasn't without controversy. On Labor Day 1925, a field of autos surrounds a Ku Klux Klan rally that drew thousands. The grim reality of racial divide spectacles stains an otherwise proud record of industrial and social progress. There were accidents, too. One early streetcar derailed while trying to run on a sidewalk in 1909, drawing a stunned crowd in front of J.J. McCardle's Market. Others gathered to witness the arrival of Scotland's famed Black Watch military band in a patriotic downtown display, packed shoulder to shoulder. In all, Pontiac was a town of contrasts: work and worship, pride and prejudice, ambition and accident. Through these rare images, we see a city building itself from the wilderness outpost and trailhead of the Saginaw Trail to a keystone in the arsenal of democracy. This has been Michigan Moments, offering bite-sized morsels of Michigan history.